What's up? Today we are bringing back this lady's smile and boosting her confidence. Lovely lady in her mid-30s with existing composite filling material on her upper front teeth. Over the years there has been deterioration, discoloring and secondary decay in and around the composite filling material. As for her smile, she does show a lot of gums, but she decided to leave her gums as they are. We performed a smile design, smile try-in, showing a natural style, adding some length to the upper two front teeth and creating a nice smile curve, harmonious with the curvature of the lower lip. Patient is happy and gives me informed consent to prepare her teeth. I always apply a special medication to minimize the chances of teeth sensitivity. When the glass ceramic veneers are ready, we perform a try-in of the real veneers, and if the patient is happy, I cement the veneers on with a special glue. Now, the reason why the gums here are a little bit red is because I actually just cemented on this last veneer about 15 minutes before taking this photo. So, we have the before and after, and here is the entire process from start to finish. Our lovely patient has her smile back now, and she is beaming with confidence. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow Smile Makeover Specials with Dr. Richard.